Yeah, man.
Hello, my name is Miguel. I'm gonna make for you chicken's neck. This is 1 pound. The ingredients is 1 tablespoon of sea salt, half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 stack of scallion, 1 medium-sized onion or 2 small onions, a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of fermented 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of browning, 1/4 cup of thin oil, coconut oil preferably. Bring up thyme, about a tablespoon of white vinegar, and in the end 1/4 cup of ketchup. And to stew it, 1.5 cup of water, 2 cups of water, 1 small tomato. And because I want this to taste really good, I'm gonna add like half of a teaspoon of jerk sauce. Just spruce the taste up. Now get ready to prep it. So strip the garlic and smash it. Onion. Scallion now. Strip it off. And just rinse these. Just rinse these off. They kind of have a little dirt on it. Thyme. 1/4 teaspoon of pimento seed, or half. This Scotch bonnet pepper. Rinse it off. You don't have to touch it, you know. You don't have to touch it. Remember, you can freeze this. Leave the green one out until they get ripe. So just cover this until they're ready for it. This is 1 pound. I'm going to prep this. Yes, add 1/4 cup of water, some white vinegar, 1 tablespoon or 2, and just rinse this. This will eliminate the rawness. And while you're doing that, just cut off the fat. Cut off these fats. These just want to peel this out and get between and cut off the fat, and then a little thing you might not like. Some people like chicken for it, but these times. And it should be better, but I want to do so. I can just draw the fat off. Yes. Alright, you have to split off. Make sure you get the fat. You gotta make sure it's cleaned properly. See all that fat? You see, if you don't do all of this, that means you're nasty. Because imagine if you didn't clean it, all of that would be in the food. So this is where you want to get up. And just peer it. So look, dirty, clean. Alright, so now I'm back with this. So rinse this off and put it there now. 1 teaspoon, add the salt, 1 tablespoon, 3 diced already. This is the part I don't like to do. I won't put this in when it's cooking. Just kinda maybe dip a little of this, the jerk sauce. This much. And I'm going to add some more while it stews. So you just cover this and allow it to marinate for at least a little while. Just remember something. You can serve these long like this. You can cook it long like this or cut it. Which I'm going to do. Just cut them in half. Do it before you add the seasoning, so that should have done first. Yes, we all like things easier. I want to try this. Yeah, man, quicker and easier. It says use your food scissors and cut these. Just put her back for marinade. Totally forgot. Okay. Good to eat. Frying pot for stewing. Put the stove's gauge on 6i, which is like medium high. Add oil and allow that to get hot for about a minute. So 1 minute. Use a fork. Take off the seasoning and drop it in the oil. allow it to fry on one side, and then we're going to stir it. I wanted to say you can do this two ways. You can put those in, put half of the seasoning in, put the water in, the browning, cover it, and just allow it to simmer. Stew down, cover it, and allow it to stew down for about 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes. But this way, I should really have a bigger pot. But this way, I'm frying it first, and then I'm gonna cook it down. I'm gonna brown stew it down. So it's two way, but I'm doing this way. Just allow it to fry. Now after 4 minutes, without turning it, we're gonna rotate it. So that took 4 minutes, that first step, so just allow it to fry. Same way. Right now my stove is on 8, so put the stove on high whenever you're frying anything, chicken, fish, whatever. But because I want this to brown, golden brown, I crank it up. The pot's small, so now after another 4 minutes, you gotta make sure that the ones in that didn't fry get a chance. Bring the ones in that fry up. So just do that, allow that, just let it stay. While we wait for that, we're gonna do some prepping. Or browning. 1.5 cup of water. Okay. Brown. You can add jerk sauce. Half a teaspoon. Alright, so after about 3 minutes, add it. Add the water. I'll put the stove gauge on 4. Just allow it to simmer away. Add your dried herbs. So just to recap, put the pot on, put the oil in, allow it to hot for a minute, put the chicken in, layer the pot bottom with chicken necks, and then we allow that to fry. Stove's gauge on 4 minutes, and then we flip it again, rotate it. Because I'm using a small pot, we allow that to fry on the other side for 4 minutes, and then we rotate it again, and then allow that to fry for another 3 minutes, and then we add the seasoning, stir it in, and then we add the water with the browning. You can use it 1 tablespoon of browning, put it in and cover, turn the stove down on 4. Now we just wait for the next step. The 7 minutes, just kind of stir it. Let it continue. Now, after 12 minutes, add a ketchup. That's it. Turn the stove off. It's finished. So it's okay. I'll cover it until I'm ready to serve. Serving it with boiled dumplings. And 2, this is enough chicken neck. It's just 2 of us gonna eat, so I just use 1.5 cups of water But if you're making for a family, you could use 2 cups of water or 2 cups and a quarter, depending on how big the family is. And instead of cooking it down for 12 minutes, you would cook it down for 15 minutes. Just to say something about the browning. You see the browning, each year within the last 10 years, the browning get more liquider and liquider. But a friend of mine, a neighbor of mine, loaned me a browning that he brought from foreign, and it was much more thicker. So to say, although my recipes might say a teaspoon of browning, tablespoon, if you're using the quality grade one, use less, use half the amount that I. Okay, we're gonna get ready to serve. Chicken's turkey neck. Brown stewed chicken turkey neck. Alright. Let's taste this thing. Chicken that brown stew, you can chew it. Just suck the flavor out of the bone. So I'm gonna have a seat and eat this. Okay, and two, because there's not that much meat, I find myself just eating the dumpling except by itself, and then I just chew one of these little chicken neck like a sweetie. And forgive me what I'm about to show you. I know it's kind of rude, but I'm just doing this for those who might not know. So we chew the bone and then we suck it down to this, and then we dispose this. We don't swallow this part. Alright, like Jamaicans, so nobody ever say no. Alright, I just ate 4 dumplings, so I came back for one more. Just want to make some more point. Surprisingly, the browning in this tastes really nice, and it kind of hide the fact that you're eating chicken neck. And maybe because it's chicken neck to kind of absorb it more, but I would say use the tablespoon, shy a little bit less. I'm actually enjoying it. Okay, I finished eating. I ate about 6 dumplings. But I'm about to say something very shocking to me. I am so satisfied, more than if I had bought chicken breast. I don't know if it's a bone, smell good, because I eat dumpling with chicken all the while. But I don't eat chicken neck that much. It tastes good. Follow my recipe. I didn't have this, my recipe, give it this. See if I can find a word. The simple word I can find is flavorful. It's like when you eat the bone and chew it, it's just all flavor. Like when a talk show, oh my god, what's her name? That big breasted woman that talks about celebrity and stuff, and she say, how you doing? See if I can do it. She go, how you doing? Whenever she talks about food, she always do her mouth time. This food remind me of her when she does that. What's the name of the show? I can't know. She's very tall and huge, and she has her own talk show. And she said, how you doing?
Yeah, man!